Hello friends, I am Mrs. Bharti Prashant Bansod from Riyansh Multitrade Company Limited. I am working as a health advisor since 1.5 years. This video I am making from Hyderabad and here at our home, Sister Ramni comes to help us in several cleaning things. Last month when I came here, I promised her that I am going to give her some unique gift. Language barrier was there, but still along with Christmas gift I said I'll give you some gift, and I have given her Amrit juice, and she got a tremendous result. She was having pigmentation on her face, knee pains and all, and everything she is going to share in Telugu language. So Ramani will.
పెయింటింగ్ పోయింది, మంచిగా వచ్చేసింది. ఇది నిమ్ము కానీ కాళ్ళు నొప్పులు, మోకాళ్ళు ఆయాసం ఉబ్బసం అన్నీ వెళ్ళటానికి అంట ఇది డబ్బా. సరేనా?